Hello. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about logarithm. So let's start with. If a, x and b any number such that a raised to power x is equals to n, then x is called the logarithm of n to base a. So for example, I can write 10 raised to the power 3 as 1000, and in a log format I can write it as log of 1000 at base 10 is equals to 3. It means log is simply the exponential power 2 base 10. And for example, log of 8 2 base 2 is also equals to 3. And log of 25 at base 5 is equals to 2, as 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, and log of 343 at base 7 is equals to 3, as 7 raised to the power 3 is 343. Laws of logarithm are this. So let's come to the first one. For example, I can write log of 40 at base 10 is equals to log of 4 plus log of 10. Similarly, applying the second law, that says log of 0.4, that is log of 4 upon 10 is equals to, applying the law, I will get log of 4 minus log of 10. Now applying the third one, it is to the base a. So log of 4 raised to the power 13, that will be the exponential 2 4 will come out as 13 log of 4. So now how to use the log table? So firstly, I have to find the log of this. So my first step will be, it is to write in the form of this. So now I have to write it as the multiple of 10. So for example, log of 1.345 into 10, and applying the law of logarithm, I will got log of 1.345 plus log of 10. And you must note one thing here, that and this number should be between 1 to 9. So I can find the log of this value using the log table, and here log of 10 2 base 10, I know that this will be, because 10 raised to the power 1 is 10. So now apply it to the log table. So previously I know that log of 13.45 is equals to log of 1.345 plus 1, and finding this value using the log table as. So now here we have to search these first two values in the vertical lines and this third value in the horizontal line up to the 9. So now here 13 to 4, this value is 1271. Now we have to insert this 4 digit in these columns. So here the value is 1279 and plus, and we have to, and from these horizontal lines, these columns, we have to find the number that we have to add with this number. So I got 1287. This value as 0.1287 plus me 1. Then I will got 1.1287. And what value we have find from the log table, that should be after the decimal. So I got 1.1287 as the value of log of 13.45. So my other example is find the log of 0.01434. So firstly I have to write it as the multiple of 10. So I will got log of 1.434 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, and this value should be between 1 to 9. So by applying the law of logarithm, I will got log of 1.434 plus log of 10 raised to the power minus 2. So I will find the value for log from the log table, and for this I know that is minus 2. So let's find the value for this log using the log table. 1434. So 14 from the vertical line and 3 from the horizontal line, that is 1553, and add it with the 12. Then I will got 0.1565 minus 2, that is minus 1.8435. So this is the value for log of 0.01434.